Hello. The baby's here. Good morning. We're also taking care of another baby. She there. Hello. Hi, Peanut. Peanut's a little aggressive, so we keep them separate. Right? Oh no, she cried. Here's what came in yesterday from Amazon. I saw this everywhere, but I'm scared to use it. And now I'm gonna mix it around. It smells pretty not cute. Okay, I immediately know I need more liquid, so I'm just gonna put some more water. It's a little bit on the liquid side right now, just like that, but I did notice that if you let it sit for a little bit, it absorbs everything. Okay, use a non-metal mixing bowl and utensil. Okay, so we did that. I'm just stirring this around until it's a smooth, I'm so sorry for the dog barks. So very, very smooth consistency. I don't think I have sensitive skin, but I will put it on for, I will put it on for 12 minutes or so. Remove clay by washing with warm water. Slight redness of the skin is normal and will disappear in about 30 minutes. I saw this a lot. A lot of people complained about having very, very red skin. So now I let it kind of dry. It's a little bit on the thicker side. I think this is a good consistency. I really hope it doesn't break me out. That's why at least I'm trying it, oh, there's some hair in there. I'm trying it almost 2 weeks before Christmas and the holidays, so at least if I break out, I have time to deal with it at least. I'm feeling a little bit of tingling. And I also heard it's very itchy. It is pretty itchy around here right now. A little itchy, it's fine. Itching here a little bit. Other than that, I look like a swamp monster. So it has been around 10 minutes, 29 seconds left on the clock. I'm feeling tightness, but nothing excruciating like the way other people described it. Like I am feeling pretty tight here very tight. It's not dried down though, and I don't know if I should just let it. So I just washed my face with lukewarm water like it suggested. First of all, my face feels amazing. It's very, very soft. I know it's not gonna do anything the first time, that's for sure. I think it did maybe a little bit like help with pores, but maybe that's just me going crazy and like wanting it to work. I don't see, maybe very little redness, but I don't see, maybe a little bit here. This doesn't seem too affected by it. In fact, I think it might have flattened it a little bit. No redness, no hurting, no burning skin, nothing. I'm gonna go take a bath now, and then I'll do the rest of my skincare after that. We're done with the shower. Okay, shush. Hack. A put these next to the fireplace. Now they're super warm and comfy. Also this, excuse me, this is the outfit for the day. I've been doing it at night because it's easier, but we can do it now. Today is the 14th. Whoops. So let's see. Down here. Oh, it fell. Oh my god, it's the pure chocolate. I just hit my face. The pure chocolate. So this is Peanut. We babysit her. But she's so cute. She is, I believe, Yorkie and Jack Russell mix. She's very crazy. She's a baby still. But because she's a baby, she has a lot of energy. And the older dogs don't like her. Peanut, Peanut, come Peanut, 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 come here Peanut, 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 Peanut. She can hear me, she's right there. Peanut, 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 come Peanut, Peanut. She doesn't care, she's ignoring right now. Oh. Look, Peanut, it's you. Okay, thanks. Ow, my eye. Thanks, Peanut. Okay, bye. Stella's eating. Speaking of, let's go make our own food. All I want to make right now is a grilled cheese. We have butter. So we have, okay, also, I make my grilled cheese with mozzarella slices. I feel like it just tastes a lot nicer, and I just like everything. Dudes. Here's the barking baby. She loves to bark at everything, but she's so precious. She's cute, I love her. And there's Peanut again. We have the toast. Then, oh my gosh, please. I'm gonna take this here. Did I break my nail? Stop the barking. Also, Stella, I'm convinced, is a child. Like, she really loved being held like this. Like that. Alright, so we have these. First, I recommend making your sandwich. I ate this for breakfast. I guess I should leave them outside. It's just too cold for them right now. Like, it's absolutely freezing. Okay, babies. It's so cold. So let's make this. Also, I washed all the dishes. That's not just dirt, trust me. I washed all the dishes today. And that's what that is. I know it looks disgusting, but I'm not gonna put makeup on because I'm too lazy to put makeup on and then have to take it off. Like, that's like, it's just, I don't wanna do that right now. Put some pepperoni. Like, guys, I know, I'm aware that's disgusting. Like, just saying it, I'm like, ooh, that's gross. But it tastes so good. Also, I still have that cough, that dry cough that I was talking about. Are they here? I see a dog. Hold up, guys. Stella! Oh, you peeing? Come, Stella! Let me wipe your little pee. Let's turn on the fireplace for a minute. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna turn this off because I'm scared. I'm just not ready yet for it. Okay. Butter. Taking butter. I put the butter on the one side. Careful not to ruin all the bread. We take our little thingy. Take one thing. Take your peps. Smell good. They're spicy a little bit. First, I'm gonna take a little bit of this. The butter. Wait, first of all, I'm gonna take this. Put it there so we can kind of spread it out. And try and spread it out just where your bread is gonna go. So again, I turned it back on to 6. And then you're gonna put this. And then I always try and like squish it a little bit careful because it's very hot. You might burn your hand. Is Peanut back? She's still outside. Peanut. Oh, she just went to the bathroom. Don't leave this unattended. Press it down. And check on it, but not too often. So the reason why it's at like a 6 or a 5, I would put a 6, is because you want the inside of it to warm up. Because I hate biting into a freaking grilled cheese and then the inside is cold. Come, Peanut. Come. Peanut, no. I need to get her because she keeps running away and she's shaking. Oh my God. Catastrophe! Okay, so it obviously needs to sit a little bit more. Putting a lid over it. So let's just do that and see what happens. I put it on 2, or actually I'll put it on low. Guys, that's so stressful. I'm out of breath. Guys, also I need to like stress. I don't know what I'm doing. So, just so you know, don't follow any of these instructions. I think this is a really good, ooh, it's like crunchy. That's really good. Listen to that crunch over that dog bark. This was the meal. It's pretty good. I don't know why, like I just like dipping them in. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna eat this now. Alright, so it is many hours later. It's around 9-ish, maybe a little bit later. I took a shower, I did my hair. I do it the night before, I curl it and then brush out in the morning. It turns out pretty good. So tomorrow I have work at 9 to 5. It's a lot of hours. It's an 8-hour shift. But when I finish work, hopefully I have enough time to do something a little bit interesting, or when I go home I do something more interesting. I don't think so, but maybe. You never know. But tomorrow's vlog is going to be very chilled and maybe not that exciting. Not that today's was exciting, but anyways, that's all for today and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!